Hi guys, today I am going to show you how I make festivals in my kitchen. So forward, let me show you what I want. In my bowl I have 2 cups of plain flour. You could also use all-purpose flour. Here I am adding 1 cup of refined cornmeal, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons brown sugar. You could also use granulated sugar. You could use more sugar or less depending on your taste. 2 teaspoons softened butter or margarine. With clean hands, I am going to gently break the butter before I start making the dough. I am going to gradually add 1/2 to 3/4 cup of water. You could also use milk. While kneading the dough, be gentle. If you knead it hard, then your festivals would not be as soft as you want them to be. Add the liquid little at a time so that you don't spoil your dough. My dough is ready, so I'm going to set it aside and heat the oil for frying. At this point, if your dough is a bit soft, then you could dust flour on it. Then you're going to roll the dough the way you see I'm doing it. This is the size I want. If you want yours to be bigger or smaller, it's up to you. Since I am not deep frying, I am going to fry the first side on a medium flame. After I turn it, I am going to reduce the flame to a low heat. It has sugar in it, so if you use the heat, if you turn up the flame too high, then it will burn them if you're not deep frying them. Fry them until they have a golden brown color. Do not overcrowd the pot. Ensure that each of them has enough space to fry. In total, I am going to fry them for 8 to 10 minutes. They are finished frying, so I am going to remove them from the pot. You could add it on a plate or on a wire rack, but ensure that you drain the excess oil. From my kitchen to yours, I present to you how I make Jamaican festivals in my kitchen. Now guys, this festival, it has a nice golden brown color, but if you don't like it this way, then you could fry it the way you like it. It is so soft and it's delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you do. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Please tell a friend and let a friend tell a friend what's happening over here so that they can come and be a part of the family. Thanks for watching.